Now let's see how the filter option works. The filter option is one of the most important features. We use it to filter leads based on certain criteria. We have already discussed the search option. If you want to know how the search option works, you can check the section where we covered it. The basic search lets us search by name, email, or phone number. Now let's look at the filter option, which is a more advanced tool. With this, we can filter entries based on specific criteria from the list. In the Leads menu, under the Lead Table option, we can find the Filter button at the top right corner. When we click this button, we get quick access to filters. By default, the system shows some filters for daily use cases. For example, we can use the Today's Leads filter. This shows leads that were created or allocated today. For an executive user, this means seeing the leads created and assigned to them today. For a manager, it shows all leads created today and distributed to all executive users. An admin can view all leads created today across different branches or departments, depending on the structure. If we click on the Apply button, the system will fetch and display the leads created today. We can see that the date is 16th in January, which is the present day, and the filter will show only those leads. In the Filter option, we can see a button. It's a Notification Info button. This will show us a single active filter. On the right side, there is a Clear Filter option. Whenever we deactivate filter options, we always use Clear Filter to return to the entire list, the default list, or the All Lead list. Now, we go back to the All Lead list. Again, we click on Filter options. We can go through the standard quick access filters. The first is today's leads, and then yesterday's field. Next, we have this week's fields, which shows how many leads were created in the current week and this month's leads. All four options display leads created in different time periods. Then, the unassigned leads. Filter shows leads that are not assigned to any manager. For admin users who assign leads manually, this is helpful to check and assign unassigned leads, the duplicates leads. Filter shows leads that are duplicated and captured again. The system merges these leads by default, and we provide an option to show how many leads were duplicated today. In sales, if a customer submits their information repeatedly, it usually means the customer is interested, so we can prioritize these leads. Today's duplicates and this week's duplicates are also captured with this filter. If we click on Apply, the filter will automatically update. If it shows no leads, that means there are no duplicates today. We can click back to the Clear option. Let's see what the standard options are. Just above the Queue Caches option, we can see an Add New Filter button. This allows us to add a new filter option. When we do this, it will show all the basic information and contact details for a lead. This includes the full name, email address, phone number, lead stage, lead status, lead sources, and lead owner, which means the person assigned to the lead. We can also see campaign audiences and creators, which is marketing information. We will also see the created date, updated date, and lead inquiry date. The inquiry date is useful because even if a lead was created earlier, if they make new inquiries, this will be shown here. Then, there is the customer budget and last qualification. These are custom field options, and we can filter based on standard fields, marketing fields, date stamps, or custom fields. There is a wide range of filter options available. Let's look at these one by one. If we check the status option, we click on Status option. This will show us some operators, such as contains, is empty, is null, and not in. These are standard operations. For example, the in operator lets us select entries that match a certain status. So, we select the RNR option, which means ringing not responding. We want to filter for leads that are ringing but not responding. We select Read Status in RNR, choose a single entry, and then click on this Apply Filter button. Then we will see 3 entries in R and R. That means, in the overall leads, these 3 entries come from R and R. So this is how we filter leads from a particular lead table. We can clear this filter. This is a Clear button. When we click on the Clear button, we will see a loader running, clearing the filters. It will take about 1 to 2 seconds to load, and then it will return to the standard table format. Let's look at another example with a custom win option. We click on the customer budget options. Then we select an option. Next, we choose 60 to 80 lakhs. This is a budget entry that can be updated by the customer or manually. Now, we click on the Apply filter option. The system will check for entries that have this option, with 62 as the entry. The system will return the result, and we will see a single entry with this specific custom field value. This is how we filter leads and clear the filter.